Alright, now we're on activity 7.5. We just created a new forest in activity 7-4. And now we're going to do a cross-forest access without a trust and see what happens here. Alright, so I'm going to verify our IP address here, just because I know the lab's hasn't been the same as the book. Alright, we have that IP address right here on this property screen for the local server, so we know where it is. So now on DC1 we need to create a conditional forwarder, so let's log into that. Alright, we're logged into server DC1. We're going to open up PowerShell here for this task. Once it responds. Maybe. Alright. Going a little slow here. Alright. So I'm going to do add DNS. Let's see, it's not working here. We're just going super slow. Okay. Oh, this is like horribly slow. Alright, conditional forwarder zone. The name of that zone, after the name flag here, is going to be new forest.local. And, oops. The master server for that is going to be the IP address of server SA1, which is 168.05. Okay. Should come back happy here. Alright, so we can do a run command here. Server SA1. New forest.local. See what happens here. Well, we can see it. We see the shares on there, sysvol netlogon. Remember, on the domain controller, those are our default shared folders. They're always going to be visible here. Let's see if we can open one of them here. Oh, it's going to ask for a password here. So we'll try our account here. And it doesn't work. Why is that? It's because we're trying to log in with our MCSA 2016 credentials, which doesn't work. So we need to run with our new forest account. There we go. And we can see the share now. Nothing in it visible, but we can see it. Let's go back and try sysvol, since that's what the book says. Okay, so sysvol, we can see the contents of the folders. And where there's, so there's no trust between these domains here, but we used a forwarder just to use the DNS to find the server. And then we used the credentials from the new forest to log in. But there was no actual trust between them. They don't trust each other, so that means they're not going to share resources with each other in any way, shape, or form at this point, other than publicly available stuff like DNS and just viewing the shares, but there's no guest access. So this is it for this lab, and it says to sign out of both computers. So we will do that. And then we'll move on to 7-6. Thank you very much.